Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the REPAIRSOLUTIONS2 car diagnostics app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. REPAIRSOLUTIONS2 is a comprehensive vehicle diagnostics app designed to help car owners, mechanics, and automotive enthusiasts monitor and maintain their vehicles efficiently. The app offers features such as reading and clearing fault codes, monitoring real-time engine data, tracking fuel efficiency, generating detailed diagnostic reports, and setting maintenance reminders. Its intuitive interface allows both professionals and DIY users to troubleshoot and manage vehicle health with ease. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate REPAIRSOLUTIONS2's clear dashboards, accurate diagnostics, and the convenience of real-time monitoring. The maintenance reminders and detailed reports make vehicle upkeep more proactive, while the fault code reader simplifies troubleshooting without needing professional equipment. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that certain advanced features may be limited for unsupported vehicle models, and professional-grade diagnostics may require additional tools. Occasional connectivity issues with specific OBD2 adapters can also affect the user experience. In summary, the REPAIRSOLUTIONS2 app may be worth using if you want a reliable, user-friendly tool to monitor car health, catch issues early, and simplify vehicle maintenance. However, if you need full professional-grade diagnostics for all vehicle types, it might not completely meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.